So, hi learners, we will be looking more about IAM today in sessions. Okay, previously we have created a user account and we have just provided it a single permission just for login. We do have IAM user change permission, right? So, if you check for the policies, permissions, what type of permissions are available, AWS provides a lot of permission. Administration read-only access for each policies for each service. They also have different permission. If we search for like for S3, then they will provide permissions for S3, right? Also, you can create your own policy according to your requirement. Policy which are created by you will not be seen by type AWS managed job. It will be seen by, it will be checked by customer managed, right? Those policies which are directly created by AWS will have the type of AWS managed, but those are created by customer will have the type of customer managed. So there is no such customer managed here as we haven't created any type of policies by us only. Okay, so let me go to user only and we will provide some access to this DevOps, right? So how to provide some policies or access to the user? Just click on this and there's a permission policies. You can just add here, add permissions, add permissions. So it will ask three way to provide the permission. First, add user to a group. Either you create a group and add that user to the group and provide permission to the group. We will be looking on this later, okay? Or copy the permission from directly any policy or third one, attach policy directly. We will be attaching policy directly, right? And it's asking for what type of policy you want. All type. See, AWS manage job, AWS manage, everything is here. So we will be checking for, let's say, provide administration access, right? Or not an administration. Let's take, we will providing IAM full access. We will providing IAM full access only, right? Means it can only check for IAM, not rest of the services right now. So next, then it's asking for add permission. Yeah, I want to add this. It's done. IAM full access has been provided, right? Apart from that, you can see enabled without MFA. Console access is enabled, but without MFA. Means it's asking for enabling MFA. MFA means multi-factor authentication. So let's first enable it. Just click on dashboard here. This dashboard, right? Add MFA for root user. Means you can also add MFA for root user, also for the user you have created, right? So let's go to first users, DevOps, and click on this. Oops, permissions are there, everything is fine there, right? Enable MFA. Just click on console access, enable MFA. This way a pattern will be cool. This device will be open, just provide any name. Like just provide, let me provide DevOps only, right? Now it's asking for select an MFA device. What kind of MFA device you want? Means it can be an authenticator app, it can be a security key, or can be an OTP token. So we will be checking for authenticator app only because we are going to install Google Authenticator or any other type of authenticator in our system, right? Also, we can set up in the phone only because they are asking phone only. So authentication using a code generated by app installed on your mobile device or device computer. I mean, we can set up by the both way, but right now I'm setting on my mobile only. So I do already have a authenticator app here, Google Authenticator. So I'm just opening it and we'll put next here. Now it will ask you to install Google Authenticator, Duo Mobile, or these are the apps you can support from here. There are multiple apps. You can just click on this. There are multiple which are which can be used for to create this tokens or QR code, right? You can install accordingly. So let me show you this QR code. I have installed this Google Authenticator for now, right? Google Authenticator, this one, because I've already installed this. So let me just scan this with the Google Authenticator. And yeah, I got the required thing. So now after scanning this, two MFA code will be provided on this authenticator only. I'm providing the code here one by one. 9281. Yes, add MFA. Now MFA has been added for our particular user, this DevOps user, right? Right. Now let me just sign out from this and we'll try to again log in here. Right. Instead of root, we are using this time I am user. 12-digit key will be DevOps with deb 1. Next, I am user, it's DevOps, and password will be the required password. Okay, see, now it's asking for MFA code. It's a next level, or you can say the extra level of authentication, or on your for your credentials. So just open your authenticator, and you will able to find the code or MFA. Just provide that MFA, and yeah, we will be able to log in on the system easily, right? Now, if you check, we have login from DevOps, not with the root user. So if you click on EC2, you will not be able to see or check anything. See, API, everything error is there. Why? You are not authorized to perform this operation because you have provided a single permission there only, called IAM permission. Means you can check on IAM only and nothing else. Remember? Just click on IAM, check one thing, check on users, click on this, and you will be able to find that you have only IAM full permission, not the rest of the thing, right? So it's done means MFA also done for this. Now let's check more thing here. Also, suppose there you want to provide some password policy. What type of password you can provide? So just click on account setting. There is a section called account setting, right? At account setting, they are the things which we have configured. Means how you want to configure. What will be the minimum password? What will be the uppercase, lowercase, number, non-alphabetical, never expired. When you want to get password get expired, must not identical. Means everything you can set up here accordingly, right? Means edit, you can edit here and click on this. Is what type of password you required. I am default. I want this custom. So you want that your password will be uh, of minimum this letter or this required uppercase, lowercase, at least one letter, alphanumerical key, and your turn on password. You can also turn in or on password expiration policy. Means after this period of time, your password will get expired. You need to again uh, renew your password, reset your password. This kind of policies. You can also provide your custom policy, right? Okay. So if you click on dashboard, you can also enable this for MFA for the root user only, but we are not enabling right now because it's a test account only, right? Okay, I think that's all for this video. We will be continuing more videos in the further sessions. Okay, thank you guys.